Marketing is way easier now with several AI tools to help you out, and if you haven't started using them yet, then you need to right now. Welcome back to AI Beyond Borders, the channel that takes brainstorming to a whole new level, unlocking creative ways to skyrocket your income. Building a successful business isn't just about having a remarkable product or service. It's about having smart marketing strategies that make your brand shine in the digital world. And with the rise of AI technology, there are now countless opportunities to optimize your marketing campaigns like never before. In this mind-blowing video, we will delve into 7 groundbreaking AI marketing tools that will supercharge your efforts, expand your reach, and send your sales through the roof. Let's kick things off with Booth AI, the revolutionary AI product that's changing the game in the digital age. Say goodbye to spending hours on product photography. Booth AI's generative AI platform empowers you to effortlessly create captivating still and moving images using the power of artificial intelligence. With just 3 simple steps, you'll have unique, engaging product visuals that'll leave your competition in the dust. Next up, introducing Booth AI, your ultimate weapon for crafting attention-grabbing marketing videos. Forget the days of struggling to create compelling content for your online shop. Booth AI leverages the power of AI to generate instant videos for product presentations, social media ads, and even SEO enhancement. Creating high-quality videos has never been easier. Speaking of SEO, get ready to witness the future of content marketing strategies with SEO AI. Brace yourself for a cutting-edge AI platform that will revolutionize the way you conquer search results. SEO AI's sophisticated algorithms and advanced features ensure your content not only performs well in search results, but also resonates with your target audience. From keyword research to real-time SEO guidance and AI-assisted copywriting, SEO AI has got you covered. We all know that composing emails can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but worry not. Thanks to the latest technology and artificial intelligence, effortless emails are now within reach. Email AI's innovative tool quickly converts your bullet points into polished, finished emails, saving you up to 70% of your precious time. It's a game changer for busy professionals like you. Let's face it, creating great content can be a real challenge in today's fast-paced world, but with Repurpose AI, the struggle is over. Say goodbye to manual formatting and labor-intensive marketing tasks. Repurpose AI is the all-in-one platform that allows video and audio creators to effortlessly repurpose their content across multiple platforms. From YouTube to TikTok, Instagram to Facebook, and beyond, you can automate your marketing tasks with minimal effort. Now let's talk about efficiency and cost reduction in customer service. Introducing Cohere, the intelligent automation tool designed specifically for customer service teams. Cohere's comprehensive suite of features, including automated ticket routing, prioritization, and escalation management, empowers your team to resolve tickets faster and with precision. Say hello to happier customers and a more streamlined workflow. Last but not least, we have a game-changing tool called Video to Blog AI. Are you ready to captivate your readers with engaging blog posts? This is the tool you've been waiting for. Video to Blog AI effortlessly converts any YouTube video into a stunning blog post, allowing you to create unique and engaging content in a flash. Leave your readers craving for more. AI marketing tools are the secret sauce to supercharging your digital marketing efforts. Don't miss out on any of our AI game-changing tools. Check out previous videos we have done and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of marketing is here. If you enjoyed watching this video, share it, drop a like, and become a part of our community. Also, turn on the post notifications so you get notified when next we post a video. See you next time.